to say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And one of the most rewarding things in life is the day when you become a mother. And also another most rewarding and beautiful thing is just to watch your children grow and prosper in life. You will put yourself on the back burner just for them. So this is my little wash belly here. He's getting ready to play a musical rendition for me, which is Over the Rainbow, and I am so proud of him. And as he is sharing his music with me, I want to share that music with you as well. Happy Mother's Day in advance. Thank you. It is a nice day. I am downtown enjoying all the scenery that you're seeing here in the background. This is downtown Savannah. It's actually a beautiful city. I just dropped off my boys to get their end of year testings done here downtown in Savannah, and while they are in class racking their brain, and I pray that they do a good job, I'm here enjoying life. Great trade-off, right? Great trade-off. This is the Savannah River Queen, where I've been on it before, where they sail you along the river and give you a little bit about the history of this area over food, really. So it was a nice experience and I would do it again. No, this is, no. These are not mine.
If I just leave them on the bench if somebody comes looking for them. I don't know what to do with them.
I don't know what to do with them either. I don't know if there's a lost and found around here.
Oh, Maya's got an appointment. October.
10-1.
That's old.
Too bad there's no phone number.
I've got to find out where that quickly search my screen. First I open
Fish, shrimp, spinach, thyme, onions, tomatoes, green onions, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet. It's in there somewhere. Here it is. Scotch bonnet. For my herbs, I'm using parsley, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, no salt, a little bit of Maggi chicken seasoning, oil, cover with foil, cook in air fryer. Let's eat. Mm.